In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to connect Protonmail with Gmail. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Gmail like you usually would. Then from here, you'll need to go into the inbox page over here, like so. Then from here, you need to go up to the right hand corner and go up to the settings tab up here. Then from here, you'll see this. Now you'll need to click all settings. Then from here, you'll see this page over here with dashboard. Now from here, you'll need to go over to the menu and select Import via Easy Switch. Then from here, you'll see this page right here. And here you need to scroll down until you see one-time import. And here you can import from Google, import from Yahoo, import for Outlook, or import from other. If you click Import from Google, you'll get this page over here where you can import the emails, the contacts, and the calendar. Then from here, you need to click Start Import. Then from here, you can see a little bit more about what it's going to look like. Then from here, you need to click Continue. And from here, you need to select the account you want to import. Then from here, you'll need to scroll down and click Continue, like so. And then you'll need to select all of these options, what you want Protonmail to import. Then from here, you'll need to click Continue. And then you can see here, gathering your data. And here you can click Start Import. Then from here, you can see the import is starting. And you can see here, importing data from this Gmail account to the Protonmail. And they'll email you once the import is complete. Then from here, you can click Close. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!